We were going to get a new vacuum sealer because we sous vide all the time, and this is a cheap version. It's just a food saver, and it wasn't vacuum sealing quite as hard as it used to. It would, when it sealed, it would release air back in, and it just wouldn't quite get it all out. So we found out that if we bought these new seals for it, these seals that are right here and right here, they were only $10 or $20 on Amazon. So we bought them and checked it out, and here it is, the result. It's perfect, just like it was brand new.